Hobie, you're a good player. Yes, you already won the game. You gonna try it now, Jess? See, Hobie show you how. They're playing a Friskies fishing game on the iPad. Gonna go get it, Jess? Yeah, you pounce on it, Jess. You gonna show her how, Hobie? Oh, back to dinner. Guys, we're so hungry. You already know how to cover it up, huh? If you don't want it. Good for you. Oh, here goes Jess. She's playing the game. Yeah, you go get those fish, Jess. We've got a real fish pond outside, too. Oh, we're going to start it over again, Jess. Watch out, hope you'll get it. Good for you, Jess, you got it. You're such a stellar girl. Whoop, what do you got there? Oh, I have to go find that game again now.